Okay, what's up guys? We're gonna go ahead and do another eating challenge. You guys fucked up the last video, so thank you so much. We're here for part 2. I'm actually gonna see if I can do well. So I did about 4.5 minutes on the last one. So I'm ready for the next one. Let's just hope I can do better. About 4.5 minutes, man. So I was slacking in the last one, I ain't gonna lie. I can totally like at least get a minute off. So let's cut this bitch up. Hopefully it's not hot. I let it cool, but let's hope there's enough time. We're gonna get right to it. I talked for like 6 minutes in the last one, like a dumb fuck. Now let me go ahead and pick up the camera. My bad, I was cutting the shit up. So it went ahead and fell. Wait, that's fucking funny. My bad. Oh, it's going in the video. Because that's funny. Right, that's funny, guys, right? Alright. Hopefully, you guys can see me. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this done. Make sure it's all separated. Bitch, come on. Alright. Should be good. Alright. Whew, okay. Quick prayer. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Dang. What the fuck? Dude, did y'all just see that shit? I just ate a whole fucking pizza. That couldn't have been more than 2 minutes, dude. What the fuck? I might actually get the world record one day. If that wasn't already the world record. What the fuck? Dude, dude, y'all just see that shit, bro. That had to be under 2 minutes. There's no way that was longer than 2.5 minutes, bro. What the fuck? I just devoured that pizza. Sorry, I'm in shock. That was like 2 fucking minutes, dude. 2 fucking minutes. A dog couldn't eat that faster than me, bro. A whole ass dog couldn't even do that as fast as me. 2 fucking minutes, I just ate a whole pizza. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. That's the video. I'll see you in the next one. What the fuck? Look, bitch. 10 views again, and we're doing the fucking next one, but there's gonna get better than that. At this point, it's gonna get real competitive. That's the world record. That's the world record. That's the world record. Yeah, you look at the fucking world record pizza holder, bitch. Get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna put the timer on the screen, edit this video, put in effort. But holy shit, bro. Get the fuck out of here, dude. I just did that in 2 minutes. I don't even want to hear it. 2 fucking minutes. Suck my balls. Suck my dick. Fuck you. Alright, all the people who doubted me in high school, fuck you. You could not do that shit, even if you tried your hardest. You could take all the supplements in the world, all the drugs in the world to make you hungry. You wouldn't be able to do that. I don't even want to hear it. And I'm sober right now. Yeah. Only 1 bottle of vodka, so I'm fucking fully sober. Get the fuck out of here. See you in the next one, bitches.